Hello, NeXT community. So I'm selling these 3D printed cube cases, and I wanted to see if I could make, because I've been making these larger NeXT logos. So I wanted to see if I could scale them down and make them for these little mini cubes that hold a pie. As I thought, man, that would look pretty cool. And so I made two different sizes. I think this one's just a little large. I'm going to send the customer both. But I think this one will be pretty spot on. A little bit lower there. What do you guys think? And then here's how the cube case turns out. That front piece was just pressed in there. It all fits pretty tight. And so I've got this. And then inside here, let's see if I can lift this up real quick. I really like this design. Some of the other ones didn't have all this detail. So this just kind of presses back in place. I'll do that later. And then we've got the extra parts here. This is the tray that holds the Raspberry Pi. And then I printed them an additional faceplate. And I can also scale these up. I made one so that you can actually fit a Mac Mini or a Mac Studio Pro inside one, which is pretty neat. I got that larger version. That I had another customer request that. So stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole.